It's back! The Surgenor Side Walk Sale!
Hey Ottawa, my name is Austin McLaren, General Sales Manager at Surgenor Ottawa.
And I'm Chris Shannon, General Sales Manager at Surgenor Hyundai.
We are proud to present Ottawa's biggest sale is back on now. The Sidewalk Sale at Surgenor GM and Surgenor Hyundai.
We have over 450 new vehicles in stock ready for immediate sale.
For $75 weekly plus tax, you can lease the all-new Chevrolet Trax
or an all-new 2025 Hyundai Venue.
Purchase or lease any vehicle at Surgenor Ottawa and get a free spin on our prize wheel.
Boom! And purchase any vehicle at Surgenor Hyundai and get a chance to putt for dough. Nice try.
Don't miss out. These specials are done at the end of the month. Please visit us at 939 or 895 St.Laurent Blvd or online at www.surgenor.com. Thank you for being a loyal Surgenor client.